The numbers are in for the third quarter, and today we're looking at what is happening in the Coral Gables real estate market. We're first looking at a snapshot of where the market stands for the third quarter. Look, 168 active listings. Since there are waterfront homes in Coral Gables, we like to highlight them in light blue. So out of those 168, 25 of them are waterfront, 143 are not. Total closed sales for the quarter, 81, 74 non-waterfront, 7 waterfront, and then months of supply at 6 and 11 months. Numbers look good. Let's now look at the numbers below to see what price range most of the sales activity and actives are taking place in. And I mean, this looks pretty good. Market activity is taking place. Look at that, at $1 million and under, at 1 to 3 million. Look how strong the market is at 46. At 3 to 5, there's sales activity. Even at 5 to 10, you still have closed sales taking place for the single family houses in Coral Gables. This shows the strength of the market and demand for homes in Coral Gables. With these sales, we always like to highlight the highest price closed sale for the quarter. And here it was a waterfront estate in the community of Old Cutler Bay that sold for $40 million. This was a newly remodeled, completely remodeled home sitting on over an acre of land. The house was about 10,000 square feet, so it sold for about $3,600 per square foot. Now we're gonna take these numbers of the third quarter and compare them to the previous 2 quarters to see if we can spot any trends. Let's take a look. Now we compare the third quarter numbers to the previous 2 quarters to see if we can spot any trends. And right away, I mean, we're getting mixed signals here. On the good side, active listings are down, while days on market are at its lowest level for the year. On the bad side, if you had to say a bad side, the closed sales are lower than the previous quarter, but they are a little bit higher than the first. Months of supply, lower, but it's been stuck. Look at the market since the first quarter, second quarter, third quarter. Months of supply, it's pretty much stayed in the same range. Days on market is a bit lower, but still sticking about the same range. One thing we do want to highlight, which is I guess on the bad side, look at the median price per square foot for non-waterfront homes since the first quarter. $924, $909, and the $861. Clearly, non-waterfront homes, prices for them have been declining since the first quarter, because look at the median price sold. It's also been trending down since the first quarter. Now it's at 1.825. Waterfront homes, pricing seems to be holding. Overall though, we would say the numbers look good. If you're a seller in Coral Gables, the numbers look good and homes seem to be selling fast. However, please take note that the pricing for non-waterfront homes has been declining since the first quarter, while waterfront homes, the pricing seems to be holding. We also want you to know that this market will reward you if your home is in turnkey condition, but it will punish you if it is not. So please consider this before listing. For buyers, the data here points to a seller's market, especially since homes are selling fast. But as you can see, for non-waterfront homes, pricing seems to be decreasing since the start of the first quarter, which is a good news for you. At the same time, we're starting the fourth quarter and interest rates just moved under 6.5%, which is also of great help to you. So be patient and hang in there. In summary, overall, the numbers for the third quarter in Coral Gables, numbers look good. You have strong market activity in almost all price ranges and a really low days on market. We will keep our eyes out on the non-waterfront homes as pricing has been coming down since the start of the first quarter. That being said, we just started the fourth quarter and interest rates have moved under 6.5%, with the forward guidance that they may be even coming down more so in the near future. This should be a positive catalyst for the market here in Coral Gables. I am Jose Laya, and as I start my 20th year in the Miami real estate market, I can proudly say that our goal in making these videos is to help as many people as we can by sharing real market data to give you a better insight into the local market. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.